guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so sorry. I've been going for a little bit. Ramadan Mubarak. All right, let's jump into the video. Hi guys, I really miss you guys. I'm excited to be. You should see how hard I'm smiling right now. I'm just excited to be recording and be talking to you guys. So before I jump into some exciting things that I have going on, let's talk about the setup really quick. I'm doing a one color design. All right, don't tussle with me in the comments. I didn't record the ceiling because, guys, I was up there at the top of the ladder because the ceiling was not magnetic. So I couldn't use my extension pole. So I had to tape each individual balloon up in the ceiling using my tape. Yeah, so your girl was stressed. I'm fasting. It was a lot. It was a lot. But for this design, because it was one color, you guys know I'll be trying to find the easiest way to build my setup so I can get back home. I'm using 4 clusters of 8 balloons. Actually, it was 2 clusters of all 8 balloons, which were just 11 inches, and then the other 2 clusters were a cluster of 6 balloons, but I put two 16-inch balloons in it. So I did use a lot of 16-inch balloons. You guys know I don't use it that much, but it was a one color design, and it's going to be the number 16 marquee numbers in the front of the design. So I really was trying to build something out, like kind of like a wall behind it, but a wall with a little bit of shape, not just a square wall. And of course, something underneath the ceiling balloon. So right now you see me using 4 clusters at a time because I'm really just trying to fill up the space as fast as possible. And then I'll just, add my quads or my clusters of 6 balloons, which is all 11 inches, where I need them to add some shape to it at the edges of the design. But for the most part, I just knew I wanted to fill up the space as quickly as possible. And doing clusters or 4 clusters in a strip was just fast. And I think I did that before when I did a ceiling installation. And here you see me adding like those quads at the bottom, or the cluster of 6 balloons and a quad to kind of slim it out a little bit while giving it some shape, like right here. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. But anyway, what I've been up to, you guys, which I can't even believe, like, it happened so quick. I made a decision because I get questions all the time about doing a class and in-person classes and all online classes. So I'm like, all right, I know I don't really have the full coverage to do like a big in-person class, and I don't know, it's just not something I'm like super hype about. So I'm like, I'm not going to do it if I'm not going to do it at 100%. But I love giving. I love, talking it out with you guys, sharing what I know. I don't mind. I don't mind doing it. Doing it in person is just another story. So I decided to do online courses for you guys. I have 18 courses right now that just, well, semi-available. They dropped April the 1st. But if you're watching a video, I'm going to drop the link in the description box for you guys. So it's 18 courses, and it covers many different topics. I didn't just want to do balloon building. We do have about 3 balloon build setups on the courses, where we talk about different things. But I also wanted to touch base on starting a business, just like a quick guideline on how to start your business legally in the States. If you're in the States, sorry, I don't know other country, but in the States, steps. And then my pricing formula, what I used all last year to grow my business from 2022 making, like $22,000 to 2023, I pulled in a little over $70,000. So I want to share my pricing formula with you guys, my marketing strategies, and of course, we're going to talk about some beginner stuff, how to inflate, how to make a cluster, how to find your personal style, the steps I took to find my personal style, and then a little bit about investments and how to invest back into your business. So those are the courses, 18 courses. For you guys right now, it will be $149.99. April 1st, though, it will go back to the $199.99 because that's when it is officially dropping, you guys. So are you excited? I'm a bit excited. It's been a long time coming. I literally have a list of emails of people who just reached out from last year to this year, just in the year before, just asking me about doing a class or when I'll be doing the class. So I finally decided to do online classes, and I've been, in the rut doing it for the last month and a half. That's why I haven't been doing anything on here, but I'm excited, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is the final setup, though. We are done. I'm excited for this year. This year is different. So, alhamdulillah, we are here. We made it. If you are still here at the end, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your girl is doing some things, mashallah. So, I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.